Well, I digress. Now, one of my most enjoyable numeral system is the Myan numeral system. And this is a collection of people, as you know, in Central America and over in our part of the world. This Mayan system was developed between 300 AD and 900 AD, and it was a base 20 system. They would group things when they got 20 of stuff. And unlike the systems I've spoken about so far, they wrote their number symbols vertically. And they had a zero, as being pointed out here. They had a zero. So if you want to see what their numerals look like, what their symbols look like, they look like this. And it's fairly straightforward. You see a dot for 1, 2 dots for 2, a bar for 5. A bar with a dot on top of it would be 6. A dot on top of a bar would be added with the bar, so that's how we get 6. A bar with 2 dots would be 7, so you can see how all of this plays out. And it's a place value system. And so you need to know the place. But if this is a vertically written system, then the places start at the bottom and build their way up to the top. And so what you see here, I'll give you a moment, you see 2 levels. And the 2 levels is 18, which is a numeral in their system or a symbol in their system, and 5 20s. So that would be 118, because 5 20s would be 100. Now look at this number, a numeral in the Mayan system. How many levels do you see now? Oh, really? You guys are good. There are 3 levels. And if you decide what the levels are, we got ones or units, we got 20s. What's at the 3rd level? 400s. 20 times 20, 400s. And so this number value would be 2013. Wow, I can do a quick history because you guys are good. Now, computations look a lot like the computations that you and I do every day. If I wanted to add 5 20s and 18 ones with 5 400s, no 20s, and 13 ones, that would be simple. It would be just like we would do it in our own system. We would just add it all up and put down and carry or regroup just like we would do in our system. Because any child in the Mayan world would know that 18 plus 13 is equal to 120 and 11 ones. So I regroup and I add 120 with the 5 20s and the no 20s, and I get 6 20s, and I had no more 400s to add, so I just have 500. Well, you get what I'm saying. So the numeral system that I want to go to next is a sort of exotic number